Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm welcoming everybody to my channel to visualize an amazing video today, and what I'm going to do is a very quick party makeup where I'll be involving how to do a brown smoky eyes, since I've got a request to do this smoky eyes for a very long time. I was not getting time to do so. So this I'm doing it particularly to do it for Shubhangi. The request came from Shubhangi. So I'm going to do this brown smoky eyes only for her. And rest of all the people, whoever is following my page, I would love them to watch my video. Okay, so let's get started. So if you guys really love my look, which is brown smoky eyes, and thanks to Shivangi who really forwarded me the request to do so, and today I have come up with a beautiful smoky eyes, which is a brown smoky eyes. If you really love my video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to share your comments below, and also let me know what you want to see in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and bye bye. As I always say, keep it stylish.